Welcome, investor. I'm Mary, Marketing Director at Southern California Apartment Group, and I am thrilled to introduce you our newest listing. Southern California Apartment Group, along with Shant Sherbetdjian, is delighted to showcase this exclusive listing. Behold, 10 units situated in the heart of Glendale, California. What makes this opportunity truly special? Well, it's the first time this gem has been on the market in a remarkable 34 years since it was built. This 1989 construction boasts an exceptional unit mix featuring generously sized 2- and 3-bedroom apartments. The building comes with secure subterranean garage equipped with wheelchair lifts on both sides, ensuring accessibility for everyone. And if that's not enough, consider the unbeatable location, a mere stone's throw away from Glendale Avenue's retail corridor and the Americana brand, making this property an absolute winner. So if you're ready to embark on an exciting investment journey, you're in the right place. Stay with us as we explore while Shant takes us on a walkthrough. Take it away, Shant.
Thank you, Mary. Here's our newest listing, 10 units in Glendale, built in 1989. Let me take you on a quick walkthrough. Here we could see the 2 3-bedroom, 2-bath units, one on top of the other. On the right-hand side here, we have the wheelchair accessible ramp so that everyone can get inside the units. Once you walk through, you could see the landscaping that the tenants take quite a bit of pride in, the clean walkways, and then right behind here we have all the 2-bedroom, 2-bath units, which is 8 over here. So it's a total of 10 units. And let me show you a quick look of the subterranean garage. The subterranean garage, there's 18 secured parking spaces for the tenants. This is a great listing. If you have any questions, please call us, 626-657-8150.